Today guys, I show you how to fix 100% disk usage on your Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Okay guys, all you need to do, just press here taskbar and open Task Manager and go here on memory. If you have this 100% full, I show you how to fix it. Move here to Startup. In the first section, we need now to disable apps that we don't need. Choose apps like Roblox or something else what you don't need and just go here, disabled. After you do this like me, you can now close this. Press Windows button and type like me, Settings. Open it, move here on System and move here to Storage. You will see here temporary files, open it and go here remove files. After doing that, just go here close, press Windows button and add and type this command like me, services MSC. Go here OK and find this like me, sysmain. Go right click and you will see stop. Click on it. After you do that, close this and restart your PC. After restart your PC, go on Task Manager, check your disk usage now. If you still have problem, I show you the best thing. Open browser like me and type like me download C Cleaner and open this first site. This is the best tool for clean your PC and reduce 100% disk usage. Just go here free download, download app and install on your PC. After you install C Cleaner like me, just go here continue and you will see let's run a scan. And wait for this analyze. After you do this, you will see you have much memory in this cache and cookies. Just go here clean and wait for this. After you clean all, you will see you will get much memory here. Skip this and you are done. And that's it all guys for this video, how to fix 100% usage on your Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.